Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to navigate the new Meta Gen 2 features. We will go through the setup, the touch controls, the voice commands, the camera features, and the smart AI functions so that you can start using everything confidently. First of all, you need to make sure that your Meta Gen 2 device is paired with your phone through the companion application. So you need to open the application and sign in. Connect your device via Bluetooth. Once connected, you can see the battery level, the storage, and the settings on your phone. Now, let's just talk about the touch controls. So when you tap on the option of that particular tap and swipes on the temple area to control the music and the calls, a single tap can play or the pause. The double tap can basically skip, and holding can activate the assistant depending on your customization in the settings. Next, in the voice control, simply say the wake phrase to your hands-free features. You can ask it to take the photos, record the videos, call someone, play music, send a message, or answer the questions. This is one of the biggest upgrades in Gen 2 because responses are faster and more natural. For the camera features, you can take quick photos or the short videos using either touch or voice. You can review the captured media inside the companion app. You can save it to your phone and share directly from there. The new generation gives clearer photos, better low light handling, and smoother stabilization. Now you can explore the AI powered features. You can ask the device to identify the objects, translate the text, describe the surroundings, or read the information for accessibility. The results appear in the app and respond through the audio. In the settings, you can customize the privacy controls, turn the camera and the mic permissions on or off, control the LED indicators, manage the backup options, and choose what data stays local. You can also turn on the safety prompts and control filters. Now, you can learn the battery and the charging habits. Then you can use the charging case or the cable. Then you can check the battery percentage inside the application. Turn off the unused features like content recording or always on listening if you want longer battery life. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.